PolarDesigner is Austrian Audio's free and open source plugin for Windows and Mac and available on VST, VST3, Audio Unit, and Avid's AAX formats. You can also download the source code from our GitHub repository. There's a lot to discover in this incredibly powerful and flexible plugin. Because of this, we've put demo files on our website that you can use as you explore. You can also use any stereo or dual mono file that you wish, although your results may vary. You can also use any dual output microphone available on the market. It'll work fine with PolarDesigner. One thing I want to mention about using the OC818 in dual cardioid output mode is that with the supplied cable, you plug it into the back. You set the gain on the front of the microphone to where you want it to be, and then you match the gain for the rear diaphragm. That is to say, set the knobs to the same value and not the output level. Now let's take a look at PolarDesigner. As this is an introductory video, it'll be fast. It isn't a demonstration, and demo files are, again, available for you to discover the power of PolarDesigner without cost and without the microphone. It also works with any dual output microphone out there. Have at it. You can choose between 1 and 5 bands. Note the colored polar patterns per band. The primary window is not an EQ. This is important to remember. It shows you polar patterns only. Simply drag the color-coded handles or the ones below. The discrete patterns can also be clicked in order to jump to each one on the side or below the window. The crossover points are phase linear and can be dragged to where you wish, within reason of course. Each band can be soloed or muted. A powerful feature that can either get you into a lot of trouble or deliver never-before-heard results are the gain controls per band. You can load, name, and save presets. And there's also our equalization control. Imagine the tonal color of idealized cardioids in an ideal free field or diffuse field. You can experiment with either idealized tonal response character or just turn this off. Yeah, we're nerds, and if you use this, you'll be one too, but try it. There is no wrong setting. There is also a proximity control. You can impart or reduce proximity effect after the fact. Now looking at termination control. Unlocking how this works will take some time with the owner's manual and one of our demo files. Basically, it allows the engineer to have PolarDesigner's AI acquire and then emphasize or reject a recorded sound based upon directionality. Just loop a section of audio and let the Terminator do its thing. Please experiment with our very own Austrian AI Terminator, as per the norm in your DAW. Austrian Audio, welcome to the future of handmade creative microphone technologies.